Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Alice. Will your fountain pen fit in my handmade pen case? Let's try it out. I mainly make 3-slot and 4-slot pen cases. And here are the pens I use the most. Let's try out the 4-slot case first. It comes with a removable insert panel, so you can easily take the whole tray out. The bottom of the insert is sealed, so your pens won't slide out. First, let's try the Kaweco Sport and the Pilot Kaküno next. Since both are shorter pens, they fit completely inside the slots. Just push from the bottom to pop the pen out. Now let's try a standard-sized pen, like the LAMY Safari. It's a super common size, so this gives you a good idea if your pen will fit. It actually works better if you keep the clip outside the slot. And as for my largest pen, that would be the TWSBI ECO. Here's what it looks like with all the slots filled. Now let's put the panel back inside the case. The body is lightly padded and fully lined with outer shell fabric. Of course, the lining varies by design. I love mixing and matching fabrics. Okay, now close it. Once closed, the lid completely covers and protects all the pens. Plus, there's a handy pocket on the back. I usually use it to store a ruler, a small memo pad, or sticker sheets. Honestly, you can put whatever you want in there. I think it is such a cute little detail. You don't even need to take out the whole insert to get a pen. For a pocket pen, just push it up from the bottom. And here we are. And for every pen case I make, the little pillow charm is my favorite highlight. You can rest your pen on it. How cute is that? Now let's move on to the other one. For the 3-slot, there's no back pocket, but the entire case is fully padded. All 3 slots are completely separated. This time, let's try the Kaweco Perkeo. It slides in easily. Next, let's test another common pen, the Platinum Preppy. It's not a chunky pen, so it fits with no problem at all. As you can see, it fits completely inside the slot. And for the TWSBI ECO, it also slides right in effortlessly. As you can see, all 3 pens stay completely inside the slots. Once the lid is closed, nothing sticks out from the side. This design was requested by the very first client who ordered a fountain pen case, so I've kept that tradition for all my designs. It also comes with a mini pillow charm, but you can attach any charm you like. The loop is just a fun way to add a bit of your own personality. So, what do you think of my handmade pen cases? Do you prefer the classic 3-slot version? Or do you like the 4-slot with the removable insert? As the maker, I love both. Most of my clients order the 3-slot case, but I kept getting DMs asking for a custom 4-slot version. I guess that's the true beauty of running a small handmade brand. Which size would work best for your collection? Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments which case you would choose. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and to subscribe. See you next time.